conversation. Throw this money in the earth, it's a celebration. Let's really get to this money, homeboy, cut out all that hate. Way you talk about hitting licks, it sound complicated, but I'm dedicated, so homeboy, cut out the complaining. Roll with me, I show you how we be making it raining. Yeah, I'm maintaining with my little youngins and we hanging in the studio making class hits at the same time, it stay banging. Yeah, I'm doing me, you should worry about just doing you. Leave fake alone, do like 2 Chainz and keep it true. Matter of fact, just keep it real, cause the middleman now Triple E, you gon' have a better deal. Niggas stay for real, that's just what it is. Know you wanna go out there and grab the burner and rob and kill. You got a child at home, your fam wanna see you live. Gets hard sometimes, but you gotta keep faith, keep pushing, keep moving, keep going, keep grinding, working hard like a fighter.